I'm Claire Weddell and I'm a production engineer. I used to be a CNC machinist. I always enjoyed building things, making things, and someone told me that I couldn't do it, and I thought, I'm going to give that a go. You're always getting new things to do every day, especially in the sector we work in. We're building things for the future. No one's ever made them before. Who wouldn't want to make something that no one else has ever made before? It's a really good challenge.
The reasons I wanted to work in the sector is because I kind of grew up with my dad teaching me bits of plumbing and building. Even though it's not the same as engineering, it kind of gets you in the mindset of, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. It just gets you more focused on the more practical side of things. I got my GCSEs and then I went on to do a level 3 extended diploma in engineering. It's a BTEC, so it's equivalent to 3 A-levels, but you have a practical side, a maths side, science side, a business side of like understanding the project planning, all the stuff around that.
We have had apprentices that they are learning whilst they're earning. On the shop floor, staff of all ages and all levels. Experience is great and that does equate for a lot on a CV, but I really want to see that passion, that innovation, that desire to want to work. From a CNC perspective, I think someone that has got, a desire to learn, somebody that really wants to enjoy working on bespoke manufactured pieces. No day is the same day for a CNC machinist.
The thing that really makes somebody stand out is much more about their attitude. It's when you interview somebody, have they got the right attitude to fit the culture of the company? We have school leavers joining us and we absolutely welcome and encourage that. We love taking young people straight from school and giving them a career.
I think the advice I would give someone who's thinking about coming into the sector is do your research, find out what engineering you like, because there's so many different fields. Once you find the one that you relate to the most and that you can work on and develop, and that's something essentially you want to do for the rest of your life, you can branch off into anything.
I think if you're looking to take on a placement, do it. There's no better opportunity by taking out a placement to actually have hands-on experience.